This message is transmitted by the request of the Springdale Police Department. At 12:45 p.m., several people were reported attacked by abnormal creatures who can take control of the humans they attack. The Springdale Police Department recommended that everyone lock their doors and windows and stay inside until the situation is over. The creatures are unknown to us and we don't know what they are capable of. Do not confront these creatures, as confronting them can put your life at risk. Stay tuned for information on this developing situation. This message is transmitted by the Springdale Police Department. A child by the name Nathan Adams was taken from his parents in uptown Springdale. They were walking from the Every Mart back to their home when he was taken. The child is 5'5", 11 years old, has brown hair with 3 spikes. The child was last seen wearing a red shirt with a white star on the center, dust brown pants, red, white and blue boots. And was seen last by the Every Mart. If anyone has any information on the missing child, call 775-757-3491. This message is transmitted by the request of the Springdale Police Department. The creatures spotted earlier today are still at large. According to some local psychics, the creatures are yokai and are inspiring people and are controlling them. Yokai are from Japanese folklore and were believed to be fictional. Yokai range from super dangerous yokai to friendly yokai but are dangerous to come in contact with. The Springdale Police Department urged the public to lock all doors and windows and go to the lowest part of your building. Take food, water, a battery or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. And enough clothes to last for a week. Pack more if you need to. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This message is transmitted by the request of the Springdale Police Department. According to several sources, the yokai called Kraken has been making the yokai hostile. He and several others are wreaking havoc in uptown Springdale, downtown Springdale, Blossom Heights, Breezy Hills, and Shoppers Row. If you are living in the area, evacuate the area immediately. The Springdale Police Department is currently working on a plan to stop this madness. Also, the Amber Alert for Nathan Adams is expired, as he was safely back in his parents' arms. This message is transmitted by the request of the Springdale Police Department. The plan to stop the yokai was unsuccessful and only aggravated the yokai further. Nathan Adams, who was the child that went missing earlier, knows 2 yokai who are considered his friends. So Nathan is trying to travel into the yokai world alone and try to stop Kraken from destroying Springdale. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Springdale Police Department. The plan with Nathan Adams worked out and mostly all the trees in Springdale became cherry blossom trees. The threat of a potential yokai uprising is still at large as McCracken wasn't fully defeated. Unfortunately, Springdale residents and local residents are mandated to not go home until the all clear is given. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Springdale Police Department. The yokai are completely hostile. The plan worked for about 5 minutes, then tremors occurred around Mount Wildwood. The yokai attacked the police and brutally killed most of the police. During the attack, Nathan Adams escaped freely and discovered the entirety of Mount Wildwood was covered in white trees. McCracken changed forms and was more powerful than ever. If you are near the Springdale metropolitan area, leave the area and take the Central Line Express to Fortune Place. It's your only hope. All clear. This message is transmitted by the request of the Springdale Police Department. Nathan Adams was successful in defeating the yokai McCracken for good. He sealed off the yokai world and now there are no connections between humans and yokai. The Springdale Police Department would like to thank each one of you for following instructions and cooperating with us. Regular programming will resume.